In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Microsoft Word. Whether you're crafting an important document or simply refining your writing, Grammarly can be a powerful tool to ensure your work is polished and professional. Let's dive right into the process to get you set up seamlessly. To begin, head over to Microsoft 365's online platform. You can do this by navigating to the free Microsoft 365 online page. The link will be provided for your convenience. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in option and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure to have your account details handy. If you don't have an account yet, you might be prompted to create one, which is a straightforward process. Once you're signed into Microsoft 365, the next step is to open Word. You should see an option to click on Word and go ahead and select it. This will open up a new document for you to start working in. If you're not familiar with Word Online, it's the web-based version of Microsoft Word that allows you to work directly from your browser without downloading any apps. Next, you'll want to go to your document where you wish to use Grammarly. If you're starting fresh, you might be greeted with a blank page ready for your input. However, if you're working on an existing document, simply open it up from your cloud storage. This integration makes it incredibly easy to switch between editing documents and utilizing Grammarly's helpful suggestions. Once your document is open, head over to the add-ins section. You can find this feature within the menu, often located near the top of the interface. Add-ins are powerful tools that extend the functionality of Microsoft Word, allowing you to incorporate third-party applications right into your workflow. Now locate Grammarly for Microsoft Word within the add-ins, click on it, and it will initiate the integration process. This step is crucial as it brings Grammarly's full suite of writing enhancements directly into your Word document. You might need to authenticate your Grammarly account if prompted, just to ensure everything is syncing up correctly. From here, Grammarly will be up and running in your document, giving you real-time suggestions to enhance your writing. You'll benefit from grammar and spelling checks, style suggestions, and much more, all tailored to maintain consistency and clarity in your work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Grammarly in Microsoft Word Online. This setup means you'll have a trusted writing assistant by your side whenever you're drafting documents on the web, making your writing process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy writing.